Every new Claude chat starts the same way. You open a browser tab, find the thing you need, copy it, switch back to Claude, paste it in. Then you do it again and again. Claude is blind to the web. Every article, every product page, every tool you look at, Claude has no idea it exists. Here's what that actually costs you. Step 1, you find the page. Step 2, you copy the URL, or worse, you copy the whole text. Step 3, you paste it into Claude and hope it has enough context to help. You're doing all the work. You're the translator between Claude and the internet, every single time. Claude in Chrome changes that. It's a Chrome extension, a connector that gives Claude live eyes on any page you have open, not a screenshot, not a paste. Claude reads the actual live page in real time the moment you ask. Your browser and Claude go from being two separate apps to being one system. Setup takes under 2 minutes. 3 steps, no developer tools, no API keys. Step 1, go to the Chrome Web Store and search Claude in Chrome. Click Add to Chrome. Step 2, pin the extension to your Chrome toolbar so it's always visible. Step 3, open Cowork, go to Settings, then Connectors, and toggle Claude in Chrome on. Done. That toggle in Connectors is all it takes. Flip it once, and Claude in Chrome is live for every session going forward. You'll see it alongside Gmail, Notion, and your other connectors. It stays on. You never have to reconnect it. Your first use takes about 3 seconds. Navigate to any page in Chrome, then go to Claude and type, "Read this page and give me the key takeaways." That's it. Claude reads the live page, the full text, the structure, all of it, and responds. No copying, no pasting, no explaining what the page is about. The most obvious use case, research. You're reading a long article. Instead of skimming it yourself, you open Claude and say, "Summarize this into 3 bullets." What's the main argument and who should care? Claude reads the article, not a pasted version of it, the actual live page, and gives you a structured summary in seconds. You read in a fraction of the time. Second use case, comparing multiple pages. Open 3 pricing pages, Notion, Coda, Confluence. Then tell Claude, "Build me a comparison table from these 3 pages." Claude reads all 3, extracts the key data points, and outputs a clean table. What used to take 20 minutes of tab switching and manual note-taking now takes 1 prompt. Third use case, Claude fills in the form for you. Point Claude at a page with a form, a job application, a contact page, a registration, and tell it what to fill in. Claude types the answers into the fields. You review, you submit. You stay in control of what gets sent. Claude just does the typing. Know the limits before you rely on it. 3 things Claude in Chrome won't get past. Paywalls. If you need a subscription to read it, Claude needs one too. Login walls, pages that require you to be signed in, are inaccessible unless you're already authenticated in that tab. Heavy JavaScript apps, dashboards, and single-page apps that load content dynamically can confuse the extension. Rule of thumb, if you can read it in a private window, Claude probably can too. Here's the shift that actually matters. You stopped copy-pasting. Claude started seeing. The web is the biggest knowledge base ever built. Claude in Chrome is the cable that connects Claude to it, live, in context, without friction. You browse. Claude understands. That's a different kind of assistant. Now Claude can see the web. Install the extension, flip the toggle in connectors, and say, "Read this page." That's it. If this changes how you use Claude, hit like and subscribe. I put out 1 new lesson every week. And drop a comment. What's the first page you'd point Claude at? Next lesson, Claude code for non-developers. I'll see you there.